Sekarang dah pukul 6 suku. Sekejap. Rasa macam rude pula. So yeah, hello. Sekarang dah pukul 6 suku. Today's activity nak run. I just nak easy run lah. Easy run dalam 1 hour. Hopefully it can be done in 1 hour lah. Semalam I dah run dekat Putrajaya 8km, but it wasn't an easy run. So hari ni it's more to easy run, recovery run. So later you guys tengok lah, pace dia akan jadi slow je. I think I akan lari pace dalam 6.5 or 7. Today kita run seorang je, because yang lain buat interval malam ni. Because I semalam dah lari laju sikit. So hari ni macam more to recovery. Lain orang, lain program. Tak boleh nak follow diorang. Kalau I follow diorang, habis nanti injet. So santai-santai je. Now dah 6 suku lah dekat MMU. Tapi ramai juga orang. Pukul 6 suku tapi still panas lagi. Nak lari tapi macam tak ready sebab panas. Hello. So we dah start, right? Panas gila kat MMU ni. With the current pace now 650. Okay, heart rate 144. The goal today is to just keep the heart rate below 150. That's all. Ramai gila orang laju-laju kat sini, but it's okay. Different day, different session. Most mistake yang I sedar for Hard Rocks, they want to do hard session every day, which you cannot do that. So I tak adalah power. Hard Rocks pun baru sekali debut. But what I can tell you guys, jangan terlalu nak laju. Keep simple je, because mostly siapa yang push laju, you guys akan burn out teruk gila. For what I did that day in Incheon, 1 hour 33, right? I run slow gila, because that's the max I could do also lah. I'm not a runner and I'm not good either. So I ran pace about 6 average, but my station, okay, not fast but not slow, okay. That's why some people, because of the adrenaline rush, excitement, they run very fast. Cute je budak ni. Comel. Hello guys, good morning. Hari ni kita bersama dengan Nick Baik. Dengan Idaman.
Guys, I just want to say congratulations to Adik Baidil for sub 133 untuk Incheon. Let's fucking go, brother. Debut terus bagi sub 1 hour 33 minit lah. Wow. Bro, power lah Syal.
Welcome to vlog Adib. Bro, benda ni lama tak nampak. Selalu kat Singapura, dekat Brunei ke.
Siap.
So nanti korang akan tengok next diorang pula kat Jakarta. So
Ya.
awak pergi Jakarta?
Tak pergi.
Salam dulu.
Salam.
Double bro.
Double pro.
Tak cukup kuat. Once again, good morning everyone. Welcome to
Content for Selson.
Diagram of Confidence.
Selson Blue dekat Lalaport. Oh dah panas lah, dah start panas.
History moment. Khalil Zari.
Tengok ni, content creator paling santai. Tengok, yang ni santai. Yang ni dah gelabah, videographer dia tak datang. Yang ni pasal videographer dia tak ada, so dia kena minta brief balik nak record apa. So this is what we do. Exercise in the morning.
30 more seconds. Go!
Sweating as fuck. Kita dah berpeluh lah, sekejap lagi ada event. Guys, welcome to my vlog. So ini kita sambung next event. It's crazy guys, Sombong Sok is here. Sombong Sok jadi ambassador.
Cuba you tengok berapa dah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Where are you? We got Team A, Team Kieran. This is of Dennis Yee and Shotman and Saiful Iskandar. Let's assemble now, guys. Team B.
할 게 정말 많아서 꿀팁은 여러 가지 운동을
So what should I do now? Is it too late? Or I still can do it? With my legs, with my arms, my bicep? Is it too late? Kita tengok lagi ke? I want to finish 2 hours lah. 2 hours. 1 hour and 45 lah.
아까 로잉 클라이머 봤는데
But start from today, I'm gonna push myself. An hour? I can make it for 45 minutes. Thank you so much.
Because it will be 500 mg of the magnesium glycinate that's also...
Hello, I'm back. So kita dah lama dah tak sampai Muscle Hub Cyber. So ni nak tengok our boys. Sinilah tempat kita membesar. Hehehe.
Kau benda ni outfit ni. So ganti dulu. Tak pasal ni.
Huh?
Tak pasal.
Right, back with the boys. Oops. Nice. Budak-budak cyber. Good job. Shout out motherfucker. So nanti next vlog Muhammad ni akan try
Guys,
double pro.
sekejap.
Ha,
Mungkin pakai kotes kat kepala.
konten. So ni main double partner. Ha, itu dia.
Kau tahu kan adik pernah viral dulu kan? Adik pernah viral. Biasa maksudnya? No, usual. So what?
So that's all for today. Workout dah settle lah, masing-masing nak malas. Ini banyak main ni budak ni. Semua dah main phone. So cukup lah. Hari ni macam lazy day. Nanti kita sambung lagi workout. Let's go. See you guys. Money ya. Tengok ni budak-budak ni. Tengok video kau. Tengok ni. Dia dah start main-main lah.
Ni bahaya kau tengok draft aku ni. Kita tengok kebodohan seorang yang kau sanjung-sanjung.
Ini yang kau sanjung Ini idola kau Kata dia. Macam gila.